Yo, you ever see something that you wish you had and like you're like, God damn, I wish I had that. Well, anyway, I was driving in my car, propped up in my rearview mirror, and I saw this vehicle behind me. I was like, yo, this looks decent. So I pulled over and signaled to the driver. He pulled over. I was like, yo, this car looks amazing. What is it? He was like, yo, it's a 2012 Toyota Wish. And it's up for sale. I was like, what? So, yo, check out this beautiful 7-seater, 7-speed with 7-inch touchscreen Toyota Wish. Everything, all the sensors intact, working perfectly well. This car does not drive. This car does not drive. I've, gotten to know this dude, and it's just parked every day. Every day it just parked. It's just in one location. He may drive from one parking spot to another spot, and for majority of the days, that's where it is. It doesn't drive. You'll see that. You look at the year and look at the odometer reading, and you'll see for yourself. But yo, this is one amazing Toyota Wish. As I said, everything is intact. All sensors are working. It's been a year since it's brought into the island, and it's just one owner, and it's this guy. It has the Modelista Sports package, and that's why it looks so different. If you don't know what that is, you can check out my previous video of the Toyota CHR. You'll see the Modelista Sports kit, that body kit that it has. It's the same family, same guys who have equipped this Toyota Wish to make it look